Welcome guys with another exciting video of review, and today we are going to review and unboxing the Fitbit Sense Smartwatch. It's more than smartwatch and we can call it the watch of the health. We can monitor our health with it, and its price is only $199. You can easily purchase it, and when you unbox it, and it will appear like this. Its different parts like strip, main dial, and its magnetic charger. Now talk about the amazing feature of this smartwatch, and it's can tell you any other thing about your health, and it can manage your stress, redefine your routine, what you can do in your day. And its biosensor will help you to manage your body, workout, and tell you about any fun. And special feature of this watch is it can manage your stress. Yes, of course. It can track your stress and also your heartbeat, and it will tell you about the ECG rate. And also tell you the sleep tracking, when you can sleep and what you do during your sleep. It's also the detector of your sleep. You can call it a detector of your sleep. You can also set your time of sleep and awake easily. And also it will show your health metrics and the table and list. And special feature is the GPS. You can also check your distance, place with the help of the GPS, and it shows amazing features. And you can also monitor it with your help of your smartphone, and you can talk with your doctor, and you can improve your health by checking the health matrices. And it also gives the premium experience. You can get also the premium experience. It's free for the 6 months, and after this you can get the premium experience. And it's also voice assistant. You can check any other thing on the Google. And now the parts detail, and this is the magnetic charger of this smartwatch, and this is the dial. You can adjust on your arm and wrist according to your size. With the look of the smartwatch, you can see it in detail, and you can monitor your health. And now how to use. In this video you can clearly see how to use this smartwatch easily, and it's very easy to fix any part and use the charger.